Good afternoon.
This is the given.
The process. P1,
P2, P3,
P4, P5.
With the first time of
1, 4, 5, 7, and 10. Arrival time of 5, 3, 0, 6, 9.
Compute the grand chart. Dito na natin ang arrival time.
Ito, arrival time po.
I-discuss ng dire-dire. The arrival time of P3 is 0. So, unang P3. P2. With the first time of 5. Dahil wala 1, 2, si P2 ang atin, siya yung mga arrival time na 3. With the first time of 4. Dahil walang 4, si P1, dahil siyang sunod sa P. With the first time of 4. And next is P4, with the first time of 7. And the last one is P5, with the first time of 10. And this is the grand chart. Na-compute the average waiting time.
The formula is P1 minus the arrival time plus process 2 minus arrival time plus process 3 minus arrival time plus process 4 minus arrival time plus P5 minus arrival time all divided by 5 because 9
Lima silang process.
V1 is equals to 9. Its waiting time is equals to 9. Minus its arrival time equals to 5. Minus 5. Last P2 waiting time is equals to 5. Arrival time is equals to 3. 5 minus 3. Last
P3
P3 waiting time is equals to 0.
with the arrival time of
Minus arrival time equals to 0. Plus
P4
P4 waiting time equals to 10. Minus its arrival time is 6. Plus P5 waiting time 17. Minus its arrival time 9. Divided by 5. 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. Plus 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Plus 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Plus 9 minus 6 is equals to 4. Plus 17 minus 9 is equals to 8. Divided by 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Plus 0 equals 6. Plus 4 equals 10. Plus 8 equals 18 divided by 5. The final answer is 3.6 milliseconds. And that's how to solve first come, first serve scheduling.